Hello and welcome to the British Dapper, and today we're talking about wearing patterns and striped shirts. So here we have a typical navy plain blue two-piece suit, notched lapel, single-breasted, and we're wearing a pale blue shirt and a plain blue navy tie and a lighter pocket square with some navy in it. So pretty much a typical look, and I'm just using the plain shirt as the start point for looking at us wearing striped and patterned shirts. So I would suggest that a plain shirt is more formal, and then stripes become less formal, then patterns become even less formal. So on a sliding scale, a plain shirt all the way down to a patterned shirt, and obviously the more pattern you have in the actual design, then obviously the less formal it's going to be. So let's try and change this look. I'm going to keep the navy tie and the pocket square and wear the same suit. We're just changing the shirt just to see how that does change the overall look. So here we've changed the shirt for a white shirt, predominantly white shirt with a very fine blue stripe in it. And it has changed the look of the background, the backdrop to the tie and the suit. So what happens if we then go for a less formal look and go for something, for example, with a Bengal stripe? So here you can see a much more dramatic effect with the Bengal stripe. Same shirt design, stripes are a lot wider, a lot broader, same coloured tie, same pocket square, same suit, but a much more dramatic look. So staying within the colour range of blues and whites, I'm going to now change that for another striped shirt which has got a pattern with it as well, albeit a geometric pattern. And let's see how that changes the look. So here we have a Ben Smith shirt which has got a slight stripe in it and a geometric pattern in it as well, and it gives a completely different vibe to the outfit. I'm still wearing the same tie, pocket square, and the suit's the same, but the shirt, because of the bolder pattern, gives it a much more informal look. So the final one is the most informal look of all, and that's where we start introducing a pattern in its purest sense rather than a striped pattern. And for this, I would recommend with this particular type of shirt not to wear a tie with it. See what you think. So this is the final look. It's quite a bold pattern to wear with a suit. Pocket square is optional with this look. It is a casual look, but I think because of the type of collar it is, it's not really designed for a tie to be worn, and if you did, it would have to be a very narrow tie, and a plain tie at that. But I think because the nature of the way the collar is cut, and it is a very informal shirt which doesn't require a tie, but it does go with the suit, and the pocket square lifts it a little bit. If you want to go for that relaxed look where you don't wear a tie, this will be ideal. So throughout the video, I've used the same colour range. Even in the shirts, I've used blue and white as the template. However, I've tried to use different shirts and different designs to talk you through the subtle differences from a plain shirt, which would be the most formal, all the way down to this, a pattern shirt, which would be the most informal look. So if you've got a particular look or a particular shirt that you like, or a colour range, then why not jot it down below. So if you'd like to make a constructive comment, please jot it down below as well, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. If you liked the video, then give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, then please feel free to do so. We look forward to hearing from you. So until next time, take care.